Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Hamidi. Brand Hamidi is getting quite famous right now for a very good reason, because they produce very good value for money fragrances. They smell amazing and they perform very well. So I unboxed and reviewed few Hamidis before, and each time they impressed me a lot, especially for the price. So when I saw this beauty, is called Hamidi Yaqoot EDP 100 ml, I had to get it, especially for a price under £25. That is a very good price. So before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell good, and they are very hidden gems. So sorry about the noise. How do you open this? This is a very good question, isn't it? Oh, it opens like this. Alright. So it slides out like this. So it opens like, the box is very good. As always with Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Attention to detail is everywhere. Very good quality presentation, very nice on the eye, very nice when you held them. Look at that coloring, beautiful. So in United Kingdom you can find this under £25. So very heavy bottle, very nice presentation as always. It's just basically they give you everything plus the kitchen sink, and the cap is weight to it, but it's plastic, and the atomizer is modern and gold. And here we go, very good atomizer. It gives lots of juice out. Okay, so how is Hamidi Yaqoot EDP 100 ml? This is targeted unisex. In United Kingdom you can find it under £25. And here we go, first sniff, first impression. Woo, big rose. So first thing it hits me is the rose, massive rose, and the rose here is quite fresh rose, although it's got a little bit of jamminess to it, but it's like a fresh big rose. Definitely red rose, very red, as the coloring suggests, which is correct. Very red rose. Wow, very fruity. So I'm getting fruits, I'm getting some citruses definitely, but I cannot get over that rose. It's beautiful. It's like a beautiful red rose, one of those you see in pictures, and when you go to the garden and you smell them, it's just heavenly. It's just it's so realistic. It's like you're smelling the rose from the bush of the rose in the middle of summer, and you can smell the greenery and a little bit of that earthiness coming from the earth, because they just watered the earth. So it's very realistic. Wow. The rose is so big, it's just basically is overtaking everything. So I can smell something earthy, a little bit of muskiness, little bit of woody backbone in here, probably cedar and sandalwood to making it very smooth. Right now it's very smooth. It opened up very smooth, straight to the perfume, no alcohol, no harshness. How do they do it for under 25 quid? Wow. So yeah, so right now I'm getting very big rose, plus there are some other florals. I'm getting quite fruits as well. The fruits are like a peach peach, apple. I'm getting a little bit of pineapple feel to it as well. Yeah, and I'm getting sweetness, which probably most likely come from vanilla. what an smell and what an opening. And the biggest thing right now for a first impression is the rose. It's all about rose, rose, rose. But the rose is surrounded by other things like sweet aura, some fruity juiciness around it, and also the backbone of woodiness to lift it, plus that vanilla to give it that sweetness and give it a little bit of warmth and gooiness. Little bit of ambery feel to it as well, but not much. But right now, rose, rose, rose. Smells something like a earthy, chocolatey as well. Probably is patchouli in here as well. So how first impression, first sniff, I'm super happy with it. Absolutely amazing. So very fruity, very floral, and the floral, the biggest one is rose, rose, rose. I can get some apple, I can get some peach, I can get a little bit of pineapple feel to it, quite sweet and juicy, and a little bit of patchouli in the base, and also woody backbone, plus a little bit of muskiness to round everything up, to giving it that little bit of freshness as well. Overall, it's not super fresh and it's not dark either. It's just bang in the middle, but I cannot get over that rose. It's huge, it's massive. It's just basically a huge big red rose in the middle. So you need to like your rose first and foremost. Second, you need to like it middle of the road. It's not too fresh, it's not too dark, it's a little bit of jamminess to it, but overall it's like a realistic rose when you go to the garden and you smell it. So it's quite on the fresh side of things. And also you can smell some leafiness from the bush, a little bit of earthiness coming from the earth, and overall, absolutely yes, 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 I'm loving it. Because of that big rose, although it's bang in the middle 50-50, I would say 60% femininity, 40% masculinity, because that big rose could be a little bit overpowering for some people. So you need to like your rose, rose, rose first and foremost. Second, fruits, 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 sweet, musky, little bit of earthiness, little bit of woody backbone, and overall a little bit of fruity, tropical fruitiness as well. For the first impression, yes, yes, yes. For that opening, I'll give it 10 out of 10. Absolutely mesmerizingly beautiful. I love my rose. Is one of those my favorite notes of all times. I think perfumery without rose is poor. So if you don't use rose, you lose most of the perfumery, basically. At least my opinion, my taste, and my experience. Anyway, so this one, yes, 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 2 thumbs up, absolutely yes, 10 out of 10 for opening, gorgeous fragrance. I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side, because obviously that big rose makes it a little bit mature. If you like your rose, it doesn't mean anything. You could be 18 and wearing this and you'll be super happy. Season again is all year round, winter, summer, no problem. The only thing is in winter more sprays, in summer less sprays. I put 3 sprays now and it's filling the room, filling the house, so it's quite strong and dense. It's added a parfum, but smells even denser. For occasion, definitely going out, opulent, special occasion, evening, formal occasion, and things like that. It's very, very mesmerizingly beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And also for the price under £25, this is a bargain. It smells 150 plus. Is that good? Very, very rounded, very smooth, very good perfumery, very good ingredients, very, very realistic smell. The rose is like a fresh rose. It's just amazing what they've done here. Okay, guys. So in the next video, I'll let you know the development, the longevity, and things like that. But for first impression, yes, 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 I'm loving it. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, and this way you support me and getting something in return for you, perfume that is out of this world, super artistic, very intriguing, very mysterious fragrances, very, very unique. ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.